Hey guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the little bell icon to get regular update for my new videos.
Hi guys, this is Neetu and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to do a very simple nail design, just a combination of an orange and white nail polish. The design is so simple that you can do it in no time and it's going to be very beautiful nail art design. You can change the color combination according to your choice, but I'm going with it because of my outfit. So guys, let's see how this nail art design is done.
Start your manicure with a base coat. I'm using this by Essence. It's good to use a base coat because it protects your nail. Once I'm done with my base coat, I'm going to use this Maybelline polish in shade Porcelain Party. It's a beautiful white polish. And I think we are going to need 2 coats of it to get a perfect opacity. Don't worry about the polish getting on your skin because you can easily remove it with the help of a brush and some acetone. This always happens to me. Now for next step, I'm going to use this brush. I'm going to show you how this brush is going to be useful. So this is the polish I'm going to use. It's by Nykaa in shade Pomegranate. The thing is, I'm going to cover 30 to 40% of my nail with that polish. So I'm drawing a line so that I don't cross it because I always forget and I go till 50%. So I think for this polish also we are going to go for 2 coats. Now once my polish is completely dry, I'm going to go for stamping. This is the stamping plate I'm going to use and this particular design, and I'm only going to select this particular line for stamping. So what I'm going to do is just going to apply a black polish on it. Scrape the extra. I made the scraper at home. You just need a rectangle piece of paper and get it laminated. Now pick up the design with your stamper. This is a see-through stamper. I love this stamper because then I know where and how to place it. So whatever extra design you get on your stamper, you can easily remove it with the help of a sticking tape. Yeah, we are almost done. Now this stamper, you know how you want to place and where you want to place. Now just place this design wherever you want and just press it gently and it's all done. The polish I'm using for top coat is this by Essence. So why we use the top coat? Because it make your nail art design last longer. So when you put so much effort in making a nail art design, you really want it to last a lot longer than a normal polish. That's why we need a top coat. So once I'm done with my top coat, I'm going to show you how this whole design is going to look. So if you like this nail art design I'm going to try, don't forget to share it with me because I really want to see it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I will be back with some more beautiful nail art design. Till then, bye.